going to read this. This is not just for you, Brian, but it's also for me. No, I'm kidding. It's for both of us and any future viewers or whoever looks at this when we get it out to everybody. So, leadership process, you tools the silent thief. You'll notice this on the website. How long are you going to let the silent thieves rob your automotive repair shop with poor leadership and management processes, front counter processes, poor people staffing processes, which that front counter process is your how-to manual. Your people staffing process is your daily operations. So we're talking about these things are in my website, Andy, about the silent thieves robbing your business, poor financial processes. So when you start having all of these processes that takes place as a part of running a company, part of running a business, if these things aren't done well, are you bleeding money? Oh, yeah, most definitely. So do you need to stop the theft of your future? Are you willing to do what it takes? If you don't fix the silent theft, you might as well put the key under the door and not come back tomorrow. Very, very powerful. So it's really about getting the knowledge and using the 6 steps, right? These 6 steps right here.